What's up everybody, Nate Kopic here with Germain Vans. Today we're looking at stock number F3217. This is a 2023 Ram Promaster that is a 9-passenger conversion by Explorer Vans. Let's take a look inside and out of this thing and see what you're getting yourself into. Again, this is a 2023. It's got power windows, locks, and mirrors. Premium black diamond stitch seating with the Explorer logo built right into the headrest. It is on both sides. Now these seats do have the heated element in there that I will turn off because it's hot out today. Heated elements, all the power you can ask for goes each and every direction. Oh, we got 3 cup holders. Nice little phone holder there. Got the charge port area, your center stack with climate control, touchscreen radio. The rear view camera does have the camera mode, so it's like a picture. You could switch it to the regular mode just with a flick like that. Hands-free options here on the steering wheel. It allows you to look up here on the dash at things like the digital speedometer, average miles per gallon. Oh man, that thing was going crazy. And even your tire pressures. Let's take a look in the back of this at the ambient lighting. That's controlled from up here. Again, this is a 9-passenger. And all of the seats match, as they should. How cool does that look? I'm gonna walk to the back here. This seat here does fold flat. If you need a bunch of room for storage here, or maybe someone wants to take a nap while they're on the road, it's always an option. Got JBL premium sound speakers here. Nice little storage area up there in case you want to put something else. And here, all the way around, you got 5 of those. Ambient lighting up top. The power options and vacuum. Bluetooth headphones in case you want to have some privacy while watching the TV, or you can listen to it over the speakers. Nice little infinity light here, gives it a luxury look, feel. So these windows, they are privacy glass, but you can still see through them unless you got your shades on. Ambient lighting here in the cup holders. We got your rear AC. Maybe we should pop that bad boy on. Whew. It's a hot day today. DVD player if you're still using that technology. Plus this is where you can plug in your PlayStation. Let's take a look outside. Sliding door there. So this one is silver in color. It does have these silver body panels with the silver matching mirrors. Fog lights down in the front bumper. Chrome grille. Massive windshield with lighting up top. That way you can be seen while driving down the road. This helps with that aerial view camera. Got a camera there, one in the front bumper, one on the back. They act as an aerial view when you put it in reverse. See through that privacy glass there? So you can see through? This is how I would have it. Well, I'd have my blinds down. Obviously, unless passengers wanted to sit out, but see out, sorry. Got the Explorer badging here on the rear and on the back doors. These are set up to tow. Got your 4-pin and 7-pin hookup. Now keep in mind, this was a cargo van, so those doors actually fold all the way open and almost flat against the vehicle. Get your backup camera up there with more lights. Lots of lights inside and out. If you like what you see, want some more information, want to know the best way to finance, maybe just want to know what other options you have, I got lots to choose from. But this one is stock number F3217. I'm Nate Kopic. Give me a call today at 937-492-8005, extension 133. I'd love to help you out. Thanks.